Hi and welcome back. My name is Emelie, and in this video I will be creating a full front shaker card, and I will be using this large beautiful stamp set called Brighter Days Are Ahead from Trinity. And this is a large stamp set. It covers nearly my entire card front here, and that is just perfect for the technique that I will be creating today, since I am just using this for my image for today's shaker card. So I'm stamping this with Memento. This is just a black ink that is great for using with alcohol markers, and I will mainly be using my Ola markers today. And I will share the color combinations with you as we go along. Hopefully I will be able to bring in some caps so you can see them. And you can see I will go in the order of the rainbow for the most part here. For some parts I will skip it and just use the colors that I like, but you can see the idea here of how I am doing this. So we have like a blue purple color, and then we have a bright blue, a green, we have a yellow color combination, and then we will have an orange color combination, and then we will have a pink one, hopefully. Yeah, here's the pink one. Probably should have been on the other side of the red, but hey, what can I do? This is how I like to see them together. And then we have the brighter purple color here. And if you go outside the line, don't worry, we can always fix that with a white gel pen later on. We have a yellow sun, we will have some blue clouds. You can see I'm just going around the edges here, and then we will fill our image in, and then we will go back out again just to give it a nice dimension there. And then we have some orange colors here, so the warm tones I will use for the days. And I'm only using 2 markers today for all of the color combinations. So here's the pink one. You can see the lower parts of my letters are filled in with a darker color, and the top will be a little bit lighter. You can see this Y is really long, so it stretches down here. And I will bring up that red color, and then we will have our purple for our last letter here, and then we can move on to the banner. Yeah, and I skipped ahead a little bit so you didn't have to see me color this in, but I basically did the same thing. Went in the rainbow order, having the darker colors towards the down part of our letters. Yeah. So now I'm going in with a white gel pen. I cleaned my edges, and then I am doing some lines and some like scribbly dots, and that would just be our highlight. So this is really tying also in the card when I'm doing this to all of the letters here. So I believe this stamp is from, or created by Love Danny Studio, and yeah, it's really nice. And then we can use some adhesive to our full front A2 card front. These are also found in the Trinity shop. You can see how easily these are to use, and they are heavy. It's a really like sturdy plastic on these ones. You see, I actually need to use my bone folder here from Trinity just to crease those edges down. And then when I'm done, I left one opening at the top. I can fill this with my goodie. For today's project, I'm using the Cotton Candy Confetti. It's an embellishment mix you can find in the Trinity shop, but whatever you have would be fine for this. So I wanted to have sort of color for the background, so I created a slightly larger card panel, and then we have, not card panel, card base, so I could have this I believe it's called Rainforest, maybe from Concord Night. It's a deeper bright colored cardstock. So you can see here I'm just putting it down, and you can see how nicely this shakes. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some inspiration on how you can create full front card fronts. And I will have all the products listed down below in the description box for you. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!